Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I also fine. Welcome back today's class. Today is the first class after second term. Today we will learn very new thing. Are you waiting for the new thing? Yes. See the picture. Can you guess which topics you will learn? Okay, you don't guess. So see the another picture. See, there is some water in a jug. The water is poured into 3 mugs of 1 liter each. The third mug is not full as the picture shows. How much water is in the third mug? Can you guess? Oh, it is difficult to identify. How can you tell? 3 mugs? No, 3 mugs is not full. 2 mugs is full. 1 mug is not half, less than half. How can we express? See the another picture in bright. Oh, there is in 1 liter of mug, there is 10 part. Among the 10 part, 3 part is full. How can we express? 2 whole mug and it is 3 by 10 part. We express as a decimal fraction. Can you which topics we are going to learn? Yes, decimal fraction we will going to learn. Do you know who introduced decimal fraction first? Flemish mathematician Simon Stevin introduced this decimal in 1586. So today we will learn what is decimal fraction, how to write decimal in word, how to write in digit and place value. So let's start about fraction, how decimal fraction comes. Okay? Define a decimal fraction. See, what kind of fraction is this? 7 by 11, upper one is small, down one is greater. This type of fraction we can tell it is a proper fraction. See another fraction, 18 by 7. Yes, it is improper fraction. See another fraction, 6 whole 2 by 3. It is a mixed fraction. See, there are some fraction, 5 by 10, 17 by 10, 25 by 100, 67 by 100 and 93 by 1000. There is relation. All the denominators are 10, 100, 1000. This type of fraction we may tell this is decimal fraction. See, there some fraction. Identify what are the decimal fraction here among them. Some fractions has 100 denominator, 500 denominator, 10, 200 and 1050. So among them, which one are decimal fraction? Yes, 72 by 100 is decimal fraction, 100 by 50 is not decimal fraction, and 68 by 10 decimal fraction, 50 by 200 is not decimal fraction, 110 by 1050 is not decimal fraction. So we can identify the decimal fraction. So what is a decimal fraction? What will be the proper definition of the decimal fraction? A fraction in which the denominator is either 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000 or some such multiple of 10. This type of fraction is called decimal fraction. Did you understand how to identify the decimal fraction? See this box. You can consider this is whole number. If we divide this whole number into 10 part, what can I say? The first part, that is 1 by 10, we can convert into decimal fraction 0.1. If we think for two parts, it is 2 by 10. In decimal fraction, 0.2. If we consider 3 by 10, the decimal fraction will be 0.3. If we consider 5 part, 5 by 10, we have to write 0.5. This is 1/2. If we consider about 9 by 10 part, decimal fraction will be 0.9. So denominator is 10 and after decimal there will be 1 digit. Okay, have you understood the things? See this one, if we divide into 100 parts, what can we say the color part? This is, if we count, this is total will be 28. So it will be, the fraction will be 28 by 100. The decimal fraction will be 0.28. And see the another one, how many is here? 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710 and 5. So it will be 75 by 100. The decimal fraction will be 0.75. Denominator is 100, that is why after decimal there will be 2 digit. See, if we go for 6 part of 100, we will write 0.06. 100 is 2 digit for 0, that is why after decimal there will be 2 digit. Have you seen? See this figure, this is the out of 100. Out of 100, 10. See 10. If we divide this one into 10 part, it will be 1 by 10. This is the similar fraction. 10 by 100 equal to 1 by 10. Similar fraction. In decimal fraction, 0.10 or we can tell 0.1. This is the same value. This is the equivalent fraction. Same way 0.20 we can write 0.2. This is equivalent. 0.30 we can write 0.3. This is same. What number is represent below? See, this is whole number 1 box and another out of 10 part there is 4. So how can we express this as a decimal fraction? Proper fraction will be 1 whole 4 by 10. Decimal fraction will be 1 whole 1 decimal 4. This is the equivalent of the proper fraction and the decimal fraction. Have you seen? Have you seen? Yes. See another picture. There is 2 whole and another part there is 100 part. Among 100 part, how many part is color? 36 by 100. This is the proper fraction. If we make it decimal fraction, see 2 whole, that means 2 decimal. There is 36 by 100. There too will be decimal 36. Already we have learned in previous. See, there is 1 whole and the fraction is how many? 8 by 100. How can we convert into decimal fraction? 1 whole we will write 1, then decimal the fractional number we will convert into decimal. 8 by 100, that means 0, 8, 100, 2 digit 0, that means decimal after decimal there will be 2 digit. Already we have learned what is decimal fraction. Write in word 12 decimal 52. We will write in word 12 decimal, we can write decimal or point, anyone. 12 decimal 52. Second one, 0 decimal 3. We will write in word 0 decimal 3. After decimal there will be no number, that is the single digit. We will utter as a single digit. Now write in digit 30 decimal 23. That one we will write in digit 30 decimal 23. That means 30 decimal 23. Then another one, 3/10, 8/100, 30 decimal 8. We will write 30 decimal 8. Now we will learn place value. Place value 25 decimal 379. We will not read 25 decimal 379. That is wrong system to read. So we have to read 25 decimal 379. So in this math we will find out place value. Look, before decimal fraction it is easy to identify. Already we have learned this is in unit column, this is in tens column, and this side 100, 1000, hujut, lakh, nijut, crore, like this way. But after decimal, that is not the full number, it is a part of a number, part of a number. Listen to me, there was on single unit. In single unit they are the part of this number. Look, after decimal, first number, just after decimal, first number will be 10th, like ordinal word, 10th column. This second digit is the 100th column. 100th column. Now the third one, that means next one, it is 1000 column, 1000th. That means if we express the number 310, it will be 3 by 10. 3 by 10. How I will write this one? This value is 7 by 100. And this value is 9 by 1000. Already we have learned its meaning. Its meaning, the whole number divided into 10 parts, 3 parts is taken. One number divided into 100 part, 7 part is taken. One number divided into 1000 part, 9 part is taken. So look, this one, if we go for place value 0 decimal 3, this part it is 0 decimal 07. That means after decimal 2 digit. Its part is 0 decimal 009. Its same meanings. We can read this 3/10. This 7 we will read 700th. This 9 we will read 9000th. If next column there is any number, we will write, we will tell this is 10,000. Then if we go for more digit, it will be lakh. Like this way it will be continue. This side can continue, this side. Unit, this is ones, single 5, full number. This is 2, this means 20. This is the place value. If we ask what is the place value of 3, we will tell place value of 3 is 0.3. Done. What is the place value of 7? Place value of 7 is 0.07. Then what is the place value of 9? We can tell place value of 9 is 0.009. This is value. These are the value. These are the value. But this is the position name. This is the position name. This is the position name. But its value is like this way. Have understood about place value? So today we have learned decimal fraction, how to write decimal fraction, how to read out decimal fraction, and place value. So now I will give you homework.